Yeah, welcome to the final part of this series of the video, the roots of a quadratic equation. Now this is part 3 of this. I hope you have watched part 1 and part 2 that shows if the root is real and equal, if it's complex. And today we want to talk about if the roots are real and unequal. Now this brings us to this part. We have already discussed this and we have discussed this. I think we have this to talk about, the last one here. The root is greater than 0. Now what solution or what problem are we going to solve with this? Let's look at this equation. Let's look at x squared minus 6x plus 8 equals to 0. Equals to 0. Now let's take our discriminant. Remember, is b squared minus 4ac. And our a is 1, our b is minus 6, our c is 8. It means that our b squared will be minus 6 squared, d equals to minus, what do we have here? 4 times 1 times 8 times 8. That is what we have, times 8. This is equals to 36 minus, so this is 32. We have 32. It implies that 36 minus 32 is 4. Our d is greater than 0. Since d is greater than 0, it implies that the roots of this equation are real but unequal. You get the difference? Real but unequal. So if you want to solve that problem now, you have x squared minus 6x plus 8 equals to 0. If you want to factorize now, you get two factors such that when you multiply, you get 8. When you add, you get what? Minus 6. And the factors are x minus 2 and x minus 4 equals to 0. So your result is x1 is equals to 2 and x2 is equals to 4. So the roots are both real but are not equal. But not equal. Not equal. So to be able to conclude this video, we just want to state something clearly. Now, in the nature of the roots that we've done so far, we can conclude the following about the discriminant d. We can conclude the following. Our first conclusion is if d is equals to 0, our roots are real and equal. B, if our d is greater than 0, just like we just did now, our roots are real and unequal. And finally, C, if our d is less than 0, our roots are complex. Complex. So therefore, do well to know this, to note this, because it will help you simplify your quadratic solutions. Thank you for your time. Like this video, subscribe it, share to friends and family, and watch our next video and the ones we have already on variables, on quadratic formulas, and the rest. Don't forget to stay tuned.